Arrive in style with this 2010 Toyota Tundra. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include stability control, driver airbag, rear head airbag, power mirror, sliding rear window, brake assist, and child safety locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.